Hello everybody. Alright, so we're going to be covering the Unit 4, Week 4 vocabulary for the second grade story this week. And one of the words in our story this week is ashamed. Say that word with me. Ashamed. If someone feels ashamed, he or she feels very guilty about something. Okay, so let's write the word ashamed on one side of your card. And on the other side, write the definition, feeling bad about something you have done. Okay, and remember, you can pause the video to fill out the card and then continue it at your own pace. Another word in this week's selection is boast. Say that word with me. Boast. One word in this, if someone boasts about something, he or she brags about it. For example, they always boast that they are the best team. What are some things people might boast about? So let's write boast on one side. And on the other side, just write the definition brag. Another word in this week's selection is dash. Say that word with me. Dash. If you dash somewhere, you run there very quickly. For example, people had to dash to get out of the rain. How do you move when you dash somewhere? Okay, write the word dash. And on the other side to write to move fast or a short race. Another word in this week's selection is holler. Say that word with me. Holler. If you holler, you yell or shout. For example, I heard Sandy holler for her dog. When else might someone holler? So on one side of your card, write the word holler. And on the other side, write shout. Holler means to shout. Okay, another word in this week's selection is plenty. Say that word with me. Plenty. If you have plenty of something, you have enough for everyone. For example, there was plenty of fresh corn at the picnic. What is something you have plenty of? On one side, let's write plenty. And on the other side, write more than enough. Okay, the next word in our selection is similarities. Say that word with me. Similarities. If two things have similarities, they are almost the same in some ways. For example, there are many similarities between my brother and me. What is the opposite of similarities? Okay, so write similarities. And on the other side, write things that are alike. Okay. Another word in this week's selection is victory. Say that word with me. Victory. A victory is winning a contest or game. For example, winning the race was a great victory for our team. Tell about a victory you have had. Okay, write victory. And on the other side, write winning a contest or game. The last word in this week's selection is wisdom. Say that word with me. Wisdom. Wisdom is knowing what is right and using what you know to make smart choices. For example, Grandpa used his wisdom to help me solve my problem. Tell how you know someone has wisdom. Okay, so write wisdom. And on the other side, write knowing what is right and using what you know to make smart choices. Okay, so that's it for our Unit 4, Week 4 vocabulary words for 2nd grade this week in Wonders.